How to block and disable ads on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to set up a private DNS using AdGuard to remove ads across your apps and browser. First, open your Android settings and tap on Connections. After that, scroll down and tap on More Connection Settings. From there, tap on Private DNS. At this point, select the Private DNS Provider hostname option. In the next step, tap on the text field and type in dns.adguard.dns.com exactly as shown on screen. Following this, tap Save to apply the settings. Once done, you should see Private DNS Provider hostname now showing as connected under the Private DNS setting. Finally, restart your device to make sure the DNS settings are fully applied. Once your device is back on, ads should be blocked across your apps and browser. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you block and disable ads on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.